Yes, you can color match sealant to a driveway to make repairs blend in and look intentional. Choose a sealant formulated for concrete or asphalt that is closest to your driveway base color, then test and adjust before applying broadly. Start by cleaning the repair area thoroughly with a stiff broom and a mild detergent, then rinse and let it dry completely. Moisture prevents adhesion and alters color. If the sealant is too dark or light, mix small batches with compatible pigments or powdered limestone filler to shift tone incrementally, stirring thoroughly and testing on a scrapboard or hidden corner until you get the right match. For texture matching, sprinkle fine sand that matches the existing aggregate into the tacky sealant to replicate surface roughness, pressing lightly so grains are embedded but not floating on top. If you prefer a more permanent color match, apply a concrete stain after the sealant has fully cured, which will tint the cured surface without affecting joint flexibility, but first verify stain compatibility on a cured sample. Always work in similar lighting to where the driveway will be viewed and allow a full 24 hours or longer for initial cure and up to a week for final color to settle before judging the result. Common mistakes are picking a sealant strictly by name without testing, which leads to an obvious mismatch. Fix that by mixing small test batches and viewing them in daylight. A second issue is neglecting surface prep, which causes sealant to fail or discolor. So always clean, dry, and remove loose material first. Third is matching color but not texture, producing a patch that is the right hue but still stands out. You can solve this by adding compatible fine sand into the sealant or using a texturing tool to mimic the surrounding aggregate. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and lets us discover examples and discussions about aesthetic finishing choices like color-matched sealant. Our site helps contractors find work through homeowner inquiries and hosts a community discussion area where we and other users share tips, product experiences, and color-matching photos.